In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best military multitools in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. If you're not carrying a Leatherman, there's a good chance there's a Gerber in your pocket. The Gerber Multiplier 600 is part of the company's one-handed opening line that's built on the pliers and knife design. We like how all of the tools have a locking mechanism because we like to keep our fingers attached to our hands. The MP600 features a serrated blade, fine-edge blade, screwdrivers, a file, useful for boosting yourself out of the brig, cannon bottle opener, and lanyard ring. We dig that it is assembled in Portland, Oregon, USA and not in some sweatshop in China. At 9 ounces, the MP600 is a bit chunkier than we like, but it comes in stainless and tactical black, and we had to chuckle a bit at the MP designation, because we all know ya gotta stay one step ahead of the law. At a $50 price point and with a lifetime warranty, it's worth a look. Number 4. Where would the world be without the Victorinox Swiss Army knife? Well, probably in the same place, but you'd have a lot of bored little boys who never got their first multi-tool when they were far too young. But let's forget the wee Swiss Army knife Mum carries on her car keys, to only use the corkscrew now and then, and let's look at the Victorinox Swiss Tool CS Plus. This is the one and only Victorinox multi-tool in the lineup, and in true Swiss style, they haven't missed a trick. The CS Plus features 37 different functions to create a walking toolbox that sits on your waist, ready to deal with anything that may come along. I'm not going to list them all, not even the carbon scraper. Just check out the tool list on Amazon, but trust me, it has everything. Every part of this is made from high-quality stainless steel. Every tool locks into place and can be accessed from the outside of the handle, so there is no need to open it up to get to the tools. The CS Plus is made for every occasion, is heavy-duty, and will last a lifetime, maybe even without the lifetime warranty. It is at the top end of the multi-tool price spectrum, but well worth it. Number 3. If you want to drop some serious coin on a high-quality multi-tool specifically designed for military use, go with the Leatherman Military's utility tool, MUT. Leatherman's design team set out with the intention to make this the military multi-tool and built in many weapons maintenance-specific features. It has the standard knife and pliers, and also has a bronze carbon scraper, take that, armorers, bolt override tool, disassembly punch, and bore brush attachment. But wait. There's more. The MUT has a wire cutter, saw, hammer, carabiner bottle opener, large bit Phillips head screwdriver, and tin maul sheath. It's big, 6 inches long, and heavy, 11 ounces. Leatherman designed each tool to be replaceable, which is very cool, and the 420HC stainless blade arrived from the factory very sharp. We also dug that all the tools can be manipulated with one hand. If you do a lot of weapons handling and cleaning, the MUT is for you. Woof woof. Good doggo. Number 2. The Leatherman Wave is a bestseller amongst Leatherman's multi-tools and is recommended by many worldwide. They market it as ready for anything, and it pretty much is. Again, as will all Leathermans, it comes with a 25-year warranty and is made from quality stainless steel. The Wave Plus is an upgrade of the old Wave, which now includes premium replaceable wire cutters as well as 17 other tools, including pliers, wire stripper, knives, saw, spring action scissors, ruler, cannon bottle openers, files, and screwdrivers. Every tool locks into place so you can use them safely with confidence. There will be no play in that handle. It's also been designed for one-hand opening, so you can still use your other hand while working away. It's an excellent everyday multi-tool that will last a long time. It's priced quite high in the Leatherman range, but that is a reflection of the quality. Number 1. Fresh out of the box, the Swiss tool Spirit X impressed us with its fit and finish. The tools are packed into the frame very closely, like scientific instrumentation. All the tools, save one, deploy from the outside of the frame. You need to open the Swiss tool only to use the pliers, which eliminates wasted time fiddling with opening and closing it repeatedly if Victorinox had placed the 22 tools functions on the inside. For the record, the company claims 24, but one is a coupling for a corkscrew that doesn't come included with this model, and the other is a point to connect a lanyard. We're not faulting Victorinox for this, though, because the tool is still great without counting those. While the needle nose pliers with wire cutters, scissors, standard screwdrivers, in 3 sizes, and the can opener were good, it was the other tools that really impressed us. This is the first multi we've tested that has a metal saw. The teeth run along the edge of the file, so we didn't expect much, but it cut through mild steel hardware surprisingly well. And the file itself did a nice job cleaning up the edges when we were done. The Phillips screwdriver shank flares out at the end, so that all 4 points on the head are the same size, making for very solid engagement. The wire stripper and scraper both work effectively. Although we usually resort to using wire cutters as strippers, this open-sided notch, when used as a stripper, is sharp enough to quickly spin around a wire and pull back the insulation. The Spirit X's bottle opener is made from wider stainless steel stock, which keeps it flatter on a bottle cap, helps it engage more securely, and makes it less likely that the tip cuts into the cap. The combination reamer punch efficiently opens up holes in wood, leather, and soft metals, and is capable of drilling holes through 3x4-inch pine board. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.